Hi, good morning. This is Patrick Loda with MarineMax Somers Point, New Jersey. Today we're looking at this Sea Ray 230 SPX that came in on a trade. Super clean boat, really nice looking. So here it is. Here's the sunbed here on the back of the boat. This has the stone interior, which is your gray. This boat is also outfitted with a gray sea deck on the platform, and it's also illustrating here is a swim step that will fold down into the water. So if you do like doing the water activities, sitting at the sandbar, you can kind of swim up, sit on it, soak your feet. Very easy for the kids to get in and out of the water. The sea deck on the platform is nice, keeps it cool, and makes it less slippery. You have a nice walk-through transom, so now you're not walking on top of the cushions. Step down into the boat. You have a nice lounger here that will fold down. You have some additional seating here and or storage. Never enough storage on the boat. Again, here's your walkthrough as you're coming through, very easy. This is powered by a Mercruiser stern drive with an Alpha 1 drive, stainless steel propeller. This is also outfitted with 2 tables. You have a nice L lounger here into the boat. You have room underneath here for an igloo cooler. Here's your table base. And then under here, you can also use that as a cooler and or storage. You have ski locker here into the floor. This is a non-skid flooring, so easy maintenance for hosing everything down. You have your captain's helm chair here. It's a swivel bucket with a thigh-rise seating. There's your controls. Nice shot of your helm here. Your toggle switches, fusion stereo. And you also have a Simrad digital dash. That's your GPS, chart plotter, sounder, all your engine data, everything. Come over here. This is your head compartment. So it is, you can do nature calls, you can get in, do what you got to do, and or use it for storage. Have a walk-through bow. Plenty of seating up here as well. What's nice too is with this model, it also has in now a built-in anchor locker. So now that anchor has a spot for, so you're not taking up a compartment. So this is a great all-around boat for dock and dining, shoal, going to the shoal, sandbar, everything. Very easy to run, to maintain, very simple. Also has a bimini top that you can use while out on the water. And also to close your engine hatch here. And then you have a great sun pad here. So this is a great all-around model. If you're looking for something like this, please give us a call here at MarineMax. It's 609-926-0600. This is Patrick Loda with MarineMax Somers Point, New Jersey. We look forward to seeing you out on the water. Thanks for looking.